how to use a redeem Dick's Sporting Goods promo code. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you use a redeem Dick's Sporting Goods promo code. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser. So from there you'll have to open the dickssportinggoods.com official website, and now after you log in with your account on this site, you'll have to choose the specified or desired product from here, and after you select that, you'll have to just tap on that option, add to cart option. So simply after you add that product in your cart, you'll have to just tap on this cart option just at the top right corner of the screen. So now from here you'll have to complete all of the procedure from here. So likewise you have to complete all of the procedure, and at last you'll have to complete your payment. And after you complete the payment, you'll see options like apply promo code. It will just at the bottom last of your payment section. So from there you'll have to tap on that apply promo code option. Alright, so now in the section you'll have to add your promo code here. So after you add the correct promo code here, you'll have to just tap on this option apply promo code. After applying the promo code, you'll successfully redeem your promo code, and from there you can easily proceed to check out with your payment for that product. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.